அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. And today we are going to see the subject English, Term 3, Unit 1, A Visit to the Farm. So what is the unit name? A Visit to the Farm. In this unit, let us know. The first topic is let us know. So before we move on to the topic, let's recall the pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word. It substitutes the noun. Let's recall the pronouns. I, நான், you, நீ, he, அவன், she, அவள், it, அது, we, நாங்கள், you, நீங்கள், they, அவர்கள். So these are the pronouns. In this topic, we are going to see how to use am, is and are for pronouns. When to use am, is and are for pronouns. What are the pronouns I said? So we are going to see that only. We are moving with two friends, isn't it children? One is Valli and another one is Chittu. So Valli and Chittu are close friends. So they are going to introduce their friends to us. See, Valli. She is Valli. Valli said to Chittu, I am Valli, you are Chittu. I am Valli, you are Chittu. I am Valli, நான் Valli, you are Chittu, நீ Chittu. So, I is a pronoun. So, after the pronoun I, what Valli used here? Am. A-M, am. I am Valli. If she say, I Valli, is there any meaning? Is there any meaning children? No. So, the sentence will be completed when we use am, is and are in a correct way. So, I am Valli is a correct sentence. Look at me. I said, I am a teacher. If I say, I teacher, is this correct? No, it's not a correct sentence. I am a teacher is only correct. So, after I, you supposed to use am. A-M, am. And next one, look at the next sentence. You are Chittu. You are Chittu. So, after the pronoun you, she used are. A-R-E, are. You are Chittu. See, you are a student. You are a student. If I say you student, is this correct? No, it's not a correct sentence. You are a student, only correct. And next one, Chittu. Chittu said, do you know Ram? He is my friend. He is my friend. Look at carefully children. He is my friend. Avan ennudaiya friend. So after the pronoun he, they used is. I-S, his. He is my friend. Next one. And Valli is going to introduce one friend. Do you know Mala? She is my friend. She is my friend. Aval ennudaiya friend. She is a pronoun. So, after she, you supposed to use is. I-S, is. She is my friend. So, I am going to tell you one thing children. The pronoun I, you, she and also it. And these pronouns are singular pronoun. For I, you supposed to use am. And next one, he, she, it. he, she, it. For these pronouns, you supposed to use is. What is that? Is. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a rose. Like that, you supposed to use is. And next one, Chittu is going to introduce two people. Valli is going to introduce two people. Do you know Veera and Vasu? They are my friends. Do you know Veera and Vasu? They are my friends. Avargal ennudaiya nanbargal. So here there are two boys are standing, isn't it, children? There are two boys are standing. So it is a plural pronoun. They is a plural pronoun. So after they, what you supposed to use? Are. A-R-E. Are. They are my friends. And next one, Chittu is asking Valli, look here, what is it? Look here, what is it? Idu enna? Chittu is asking to Valli. Now Valli is replying, it is a cat. It is a cat. So it is a singular pronoun. After it, what you supposed to use, children? Is. It is a cat. And next one, look at this tabular column. So in this tabular column, you clearly get the idea when to use am, is and are. So when to use am? After the pronoun I. After the pronoun I, you supposed to use am. For example, I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am playing. I am writing. And look at the next column. There are singular pronouns are there. He, avan, she, aval, it, adu, this, idu, that, adu. So, for these singular pronouns, he, she, it, this, that, you supposed to use is. Is. For example, he is a boy. He is a farmer. He is a teacher. He is a doctor. And look at the next one, she. So, she, aval. So, after the pronoun she, you supposed to use is. Is. And give some examples, children. Very good. She is a girl. She is playing. Aval vilayadigiral. She is walking. Aval nadandu kondu irukkiral. She is a dancer. She is a doctor. So, like that you supposed to use is for sheep. And next one, it. It. So, it after the it, what you supposed to use? Is. It is a rose. It is a box. It is a calendar. It is a blackboard. You supposed to use is after it. And next one, this. THIS, this. Give some examples for this. Very good, children. This is your book. This is your box. This is your bike. This is your car. And come to the next one, that. So, that. After the pronoun that, what you supposed to use? Is. Some examples are, that is a rainbow. That is a tree. That is a park. So, like this, you must use is after he, she, it, this and that. And now come to the third column. There are plural pronouns are there. We, nangal, you, neengal, they, avargal, these, ivaigal, those, avaigal. So, for the plural pronouns, you supposed to use and you must use are after the plural pronoun. We are students. We are teachers. We are players. So these are the examples for we. And next one, you. You are students. So you denotes singular and also plural. யூன்றது நீனும் சொல்லலாம், அதே சமயத்தில் யூன்றது நீங்களும் அப்படின்னும் சொல்லலாம். You are students. You are teachers. You are players. So these are the examples for you are. And next one, they. What does mean by they? அவர்கள். So some examples for they. They are players. They are teachers. They are students. They are boys. They are girls. And come to the next one, these. These means இவைகள். இவைகள். These are boxes. These are buses. These are ducks. So like that you are supposed to use are after these. And next one, those. What does mean by those? அவைகள். Those are trees. Those are trees. Those are buses. Those are ships. So these are the examples for those are. I hope you understood when to use I, is and are in a correct way. Now we move on to the next topic. Let us practice draw lines to match. In this, let us practice. There are 3 columns are there. In the first columns, you can see the pronouns, and in the next column, there are 3 words are there, is, are, am, and in the third column, only one word is there, happy. You are supposed to match the pronoun with the correct word, and one common word is there, happy. Let's start the practice now. First one, we. W-E-V. What does mean by we? நாங்கள். So, after the pronoun we, what you supposed to use? Are. We are happy. Very good, children. You try the next one. You. You, it denotes singular and also plural. But here, you take, it is a plural one. You are happy. This is the correct one. And next word, he. He means avan. He, after the pronoun he, what you supposed to use? Is. He is happy. Very good, children. Next one, they. T-H-E-Y, they. They is a plural one. So, after they, you supposed to use are. They are happy. And next one, she. She, aval. It's a singular pronoun. After she, what you supposed to use, children? Is. She is happy. And next one, I. So, for I, carefully listen, children. For I, the pronoun, what you supposed to use? Very good, am. I am happy. I am happy. And next one, it. For it, very good, children, is. It is happy. And next one, this. This is happy. And next one, that. That is happy. Very good, children. You all did well. And in your book also, you make practice in this. Let us practice. And your next topic, let us practice. So, this is your session, your practice session. You involve in practice and do this exercise, children. When you write the answer, you must touch the 4 lines and write the answer. So, first question is, I dash a tall boy. And your 2 options are is and am. So, I is a pronoun. After I, which word you must use, children? Very good. Am. A-M. Am. And the second one, we dash happy. So, the pronoun is we here. So, your 2 options are is and are. So, what is the correct answer for we? Very good, children. Are. A-R-E. Are. And third one, you dash my pet. You dash my pet. So there are two options, or and am. So what you supposed to write here for you? After you must write or. A or E or. And next one, he dash thin. So after the pronoun he, what you supposed to use, children? Or is. Very good. Yes, is. He is thin. And fifth one, these dash pens. So after the pronoun these, what you supposed to use? There are two options given in the brackets, or and is. So for these, which is the correct answer? Very good, children. Or, A or E or. And next one, that dash a bus. Two options are am and is. So which one is correct for that? Very good. Yes, is. That is a bus. And your next question, she dash sad. So there are two options are there, am and is. For the pronoun she, what you must write there? Am or is? Very good, children. Is a correct answer. She is sad. She is sad. And next one, they dash good. Or and is. Two options are given. Which one is correct? They or good. And next one, it dash book. Two options are is and am. So which one is correct? It is a book is correct. And next one, those dash cars. So two options are or and is. Which one is correct for those? Very good. Or is a correct answer. Move on to the next one, spelling check. So in this unit, we learned so many animals' name, isn't it, children? Do you remember what are the animals' name you learned? So this is your spelling check time. Let's check your spelling. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. Look at the first animal. What is the name of that animal? Very good, children. Pig. Do you remember what is the spelling for pig? Very good, children. P-I-G. Pig. And look at the next animal. Tell me the name. Donkey. Very good. What is the spelling for donkey? D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. And next one. What is the name of this animal? Buffalo. What is the spelling for buffalo? Could you remember? B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. And the next animal? Horse. What is the spelling for horse? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. And the next one? Goat. What is the spelling for goat? Think and say. Very good, children. G-O-A-T. Goat. And next we move on to the next topic. Let us do. So in this let us do, we are going to see the word wall. In the word wall, some words are there and these words are called sight words. Repeat the spelling. First word, tell. T-E-L-L. Tell. Next one, next. N-E-X-T. Next. Third, please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Next one, leave. L-E-A-V-E. Leave. Next one, hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. And next one, Y. W-H-Y. Y. And next one, better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. And next one, while. W-H-I-L-E, while. And next one, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. And next one, never. N-E-V-E-R, never. And next one, each. E-A-C-H, each. And next one, also. A-L-S-O, also. Very good, children. Now, it's your turn. Read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. So, just now we read all the words that given in the word wall. So, what you must do? Read aloud the sentences and circle the words you see in the word wall. And your first question, leave my hand. Leave my hand. Look at the word leave, whether it is in the word wall. Very good. It's there in the word wall. And your next word is hand. It's also in the sentence. So, you supposed to circle the words leave and hand in this first question. So, is it clear, children? Now, next question. Please tell me. So, find out what are the words given in the word wall. Please is there? Yes, it's there. Tell is there? Yes, it's there. So, who's supposed to circle please tell in the second one. And third one, never tell lies. So, never is there. Look at the word wall and see whether never is there. Yes, it is there. So, circle never only and tell also is there and circle tell. Fourth one, it is better. It is better. So, find out what are the words given in that word wall. Yes, better alone. Better mattana irukku. So, circle better. And next one, fifth. Each one should come here. Find out what are the words given in that word wall. Very good, children. Each. And next one, should. That's all. So, circle each and should. And next one, your exercise, read and copy. Read the sentence and 4 lines are given in that in your book. So, read the line and copy the same thing in the 4 lines. Please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. Please, enakku pen kudu. So, write in 4 lines. Please give me a pen. And next one, why are you late? So, why are you late? Yen late? Din kekranga. Copy the same sentence in 4 lines also. Why are you late? And next one, you can do better. You can do better. Idai vida nee sirappaga seiyalam. So, write the same sentence in the 4 lines. You can do better. And next one, she never comes late. She never comes late. Aval eppozhudum neram thavari varamatal. So, read the sentence. She never comes late and write the same sentence in that 4 lines. She never comes late. And your next session is let us practice. See, she is a girl. Aval oru pen. Her name is Kamala. Avaluடைய பெயர் Kamala. What is mean by she? She na enna? Aval. Her na enna? அவளுடைய. இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் மீனிங் கரெக்டா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. She is a girl. Her name is Kamala. Look at the next one, children. Boy. He is a boy. அவன் ஒரு பையன். His name is Arun. His name is Arun. அவனுடைய பெயர் Arun. He is a boy. His name is Arun. You already know what is the meaning for he. He na avan. What is mean by his? isna avanuடைய. He-na avan, isna avanuடைய. He is a boy. His name is Arun. Avan oru paiyan. Avanuடைய பெயர் Arun. What is the meaning for she? Aval. What is the meaning for her? Avaluடைய. She is a girl. Her name is Kamala. And next one, he. What is meant by he? Avan. And what is the meaning for his? Avanuடைய. He is a boy. His name is Arun. Avan oru paiyan. Avanuடைய பெயர் Arun. And next one, let us practice. She is a girl. She is a girl. Aval oru pen. Her name is Meera. Avaluடைய பெயர் Meera. She is a girl. Her name is Meera. So instead of she, what you supposed to use for avaluடைய? Her. And next one, fill in the blanks. Look at the first question. She is a girl. She is a girl. So what is the pronoun here? She. And your question is in the form of dash. Dash name is Vimala. So two options are given, his and her. So for she, what you supposed to write? Very good children. Her. H-E-R. Her. So write in the 4 lines also. Touch the lines and write children. H-E-R. Her. And next one, he is a boy. Dash name is David. And your two options are his and her. He. What is the meaning for he? Avan. Very good children. His name is David. And your third question, Arun is a boy. Dash is my friend. So your two options are he and she. He. Arun is a boy. He is my friend. H-E. He. And next one, fourth question, Devi is a girl. Dash is my sister. He or she? She is the correct answer. Devi is a girl. She is my sister. S-H-E. She. Okay children, you all learned well. I hope you all understood the topic what I taught now. So do well and make practice in your home and study well. Thank you children. Nandri.